Baby's getting a bath. What do you think, baby? Huh?
It sounds like Pappy does it. This ain't no bubble bath.
This ain't no bubble bath. I put you in the clawfoot. Do you right. Poor thing. I'm just gonna get her clean. I'm just gonna get that little girl clean. Yeah. She's about the size of a rat now. There she is. Not much sure is. What do you think about that, baby? I'm gonna get you cleaned up. Smell good?
Smell like watermelon.
Maybe have another pooch night, huh?
Smelling like a melon.
There's a pooch in the sink. You get it cleaned up, baby.
I'm working on it, Pappy.
Don't know what to think about that. It's gonna smell good. Oh yeah. Yeah.